Picture yourself in the 2018 GMC Sierra. This vehicle still has fewer than 60,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Take every journey in stride in this capable, well-equipped Sierra. Whether you're towing, hauling, or managing the everyday demands of your busy life, you can count on this brawny, full-size pickup to get the job done right. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Stop dreaming and start living. This handsome Sierra won't last long. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.